Guangzhou Jqhv Filter Machinery Limited Corporation was built in 2011. Our office is located in Guangzhou City, Guangdong Province in China, where it has convenient transportation. Our factory has more than 10 years experience in producing and sells all kinds of filters for excavators, loaders, dozers, and other heavy equipment. The main products including air filters, spin-on oil filters, spin-on fuel filters, loop filter elements, fuel filter elements, fuel water separator elements, hydraulic filters, suction filters, strainers, pilot filters, hydraulic breaker filters, air compressor filters, generator sets filters, and so on. The quality of our product is stable and reliable, good in quality and cheap in price, which is favored by customers all over the world. Our company can also customize the specification required by customers according to their needs, for the adjustment of production capacity and time, reduce production costs so that international and domestic customers can face the fierce competition in the filter market with the most beautiful prices and high quality products. If you are interested in our products, please do not hesitate to contact us. Your inquiries will receive our fullest and prompt attention.